Welcome to this course on prompt engineering. Today, AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Copilot are becoming an important part of our daily work. However, many people are disappointed when they don't receive the response they expected from these tools. The reason is simple: AI responds based on the instructions we provide. Those instructions are called prompts. If our prompt is vague, incomplete, or ambiguous, the response may not meet our expectations. But when we provide a clear, detailed, and well structured prompt, the AI can generate much more accurate and useful results. The process of designing better prompts to obtain better AI responses is known as prompt engineering. Throughout this course, you'll learn how to communicate effectively with AI and unlock its full potential. Let's begin with a simple example. Consider the prompt: tell me about Java. What do you think the AI will answer? Most likely, it will assume you're asking about the Java programming language. That's because Java is commonly associated with software development. But what if your actual intention was to learn about Java, the island in Indonesia? The AI cannot read your mind. It can only work with the information provided. Now compare that with a more detailed prompt. Provide a brief overview of Java, the island in Indonesia, including its cultural highlights and major tourist attractions. This prompt removes ambiguity and provides context. As a result, the AI generates a much more relevant response. This demonstrates one of the most important rules of prompt engineering: clarity creates better outputs. Now let's understand the roadmap we'll follow throughout this course. This course is organized into four major sections. First, we'll learn prompt engineering fundamentals and best practices. These concepts will help you understand how AI interprets instructions. Next, we'll explore prompting techniques and frameworks that allow us to control how AI generates responses. After that, we'll discuss prompt hyperparameters and tuning methods that can improve output quality. Finally, we'll learn prompt evaluation techniques so we can measure and improve prompt performance. By following this structured learning path, you'll develop both theoretical understanding and practical skills. Before learning advanced techniques, let's first understand the foundation of every good prompt. One of the biggest misconceptions about prompting is that longer prompts are automatically better. In reality, a good prompt must be both detailed and specific. When creating prompts, consider several important elements. First, define the desired length of the response. Do you want one paragraph, three bullet points, or a detailed report? Second, specify the tone and style. Should the answer be professional, friendly, humorous, or technical? Third, define the output format. Perhaps you need a table, a JSON structure, or a downloadable document. You can also specify examples and identify the target audience. The more clearly you communicate your requirements, the better the AI can meet your expectations. Let's examine these elements in more detail. Every effective prompt contains several key components. The first component is the task objective. The AI should clearly understand what you want it to do. Second is context or background information. Context helps the AI generate more relevant responses. Third is format requirements. If you need a table, list, report, or JSON format, specify it explicitly. Fourth is tone and style. Different audiences require different communication styles. Fifth is audience type. A response for children should be different from a response for experienced professionals. You can also include length constraints, examples, and specific rules. Together, these elements dramatically improve prompt quality. Now let's explore some proven prompting best practices. There are several proven principles that consistently improve prompt performance. First, separate instructions and context using delimiters or clear sections. Second, use positive prompts whenever possible. Tell the AI what you want instead of focusing only on what you don't want. Third, provide clear steps if the task involves multiple actions. Fourth, break large tasks into smaller, manageable sections. Finally, include examples whenever possible. Examples help AI understand the expected pattern and style. These simple practices often produce significant improvements in response quality. One powerful technique that builds on these principles is the use of prompt templates. Prompt templates allow us to create reusable prompt structures. For example, suppose we frequently generate logos for different companies. Instead of writing a new prompt every time, we can create a template containing placeholders. The placeholder might represent the company type, color scheme, or design style. When a user provides specific values, those values are inserted into the template automatically. This approach saves time, improves consistency, and simplifies prompt creation. Let's understand why prompt templates are so valuable. Prompt templates serve as a bridge between user input and effective AI instructions. Users often provide very little information. A well-designed template enriches that input by adding context, examples, constraints, and formatting instructions. This reduces the effort required from users while improving the quality of AI responses. Templates also ensure consistency across multiple requests, making them extremely useful in production applications. Now let's look at how prompt templates are structured in practice. In many AI applications, prompts are organized into structured messages. Different message roles serve different purposes. The system message defines the AI's behavior and personality. User messages contain questions or instructions. The AI then generates responses based on the combined conversation history. This structured approach helps developers maintain consistency and control over AI behavior. Prompt templates become even more powerful when we introduce variables. Variables allow us to dynamically customize prompts. Instead of hard coding values, we can define placeholders such as name, product, location, or user input. At runtime, these placeholders are replaced with actual values. This makes prompt templates flexible and reusable. Variable-based templates are commonly used in chatbots, customer support systems, educational tools, and enterprise AI applications. Now let's move on to one of the most powerful prompting techniques in AI, chain of thought prompting. We'll explore this exciting topic in the next class and learn how it helps AI think step by step to generate better and more accurate responses. If you found this lesson valuable, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow for more AI and prompt engineering content. See you in the next class.